Let's talk a little bit about filtering emails in Gmail, how useful that can be. There's a couple of ways you can do it. If you've got a number of emails from the same person, you want to filter them all into maybe one area of your thing. You can select them all by clicking here. You can go to More, you can go to Filter Messages like these. So what happens then is you've got a couple of different options here. Right now, because I've ticked on all of C. Gallagher's emails, it's saying, okay, you want to filter all these, that's fine, do that. But there's other fields you can filter as well. Subject has the words, doesn't have, has attachment, don't include chats, and size is greater than. So you kind of have to realize what you want to filter first, but I just want to put C. Gallagher's emails in one area of my email. So I'm going to create filter with this search. So there's a couple of different things I can do. I can skip the inbox and archive it, so I don't want to see any of his emails, so I'm just going to archive it. Or I can just mark as read, or I can star it. So actually I can do all three of those if I want. Let's just say that I want to star everything that C. Gallagher sends. I can apply the label, so I can put it into an area. So I'm going to click New Label, and I'm going to go Important from C. Gallagher. I'm just going to create the first label of my new account actually. Forward it? No, I can delete it. Never send it to spam. Alright, mark it as important? Yes. I can categorize it, but I'm not going to bother. So I'm going to also apply the filter to 5 matching conversations. So Gmail understands that, okay, you've got 5 messages already in your inbox, you want to do it to those, so I'll go yep. I'm going to create filter. Alright, so you can then see the new label underneath your normal areas here, like the inbox, important from C. Gallagher, and they're obviously all in there. Let's talk a little bit about labels and why you would use labels in your email inbox. So if I click on More, I can actually go down here to create a new label. So let's just say, for example, I want to put all bulletins or newsletters into a label like that. Click Create. So that bulletin will appear right there. So let's create a filter that'll put all bulletin emails into my bulletin label. So I'll go back to my inbox. Let's pretend that this one's a bulletin. I'll go to More. Let's filter messages like these. I'm going to go now to subject has the words bulletin. Okay, and it's from the same person. Create filter with this search. I'll just apply the label bulletin, and I'll also skip the inbox, and it'll go straight to just the bulletin area. I'll apply filter to 0 matching conversations. Yeah, that's because I don't have any emails with bulletin in the subject area. That's fine, so I'm going to click Create Filter. So let me send an email from C. Gallagher with the word bulletin in and see what happens. Alright, so I'm just sending an email to the test user account with the word bulletin in, and let's see what happens. Send. Let's go over to my inbox. Let's just refresh here. There we go. So it still marks it as not read, so you're not going to miss anything. You'll see that there'll be one beside it. But you can see that it's skipped the inbox and it's gone straight into the bulletin one right there. And because it's from C. Gallagher, it's actually gone into the important from C. Gallagher thing there, so I have to work out my filters there. But so that's filters and labels and how they can work together to organize your Gmail better.